It's cold, it's windy, but if you look right behind Hannah, or right between us, right there, that's a volcano. And we are standing in lava. Oh wait, that's a volcano, and all this is lava around us.
Yes, we're at the lava beds in Central Oregon. Right now, we are standing on the edge of one of the largest volcanoes in North America, resting between the Cascades to the west. We're hoping that's right.
That's behind you.
And the high lava plains to the east. Newberry Volcano and its apron of lava flows cover nearly 1,200 square miles, the size of Rhode Island, with scores of eruptions dating as far back as 400,000 years ago and as recently as 1,300 years ago. Newberry has had measurable impact on Oregon and the surrounding lands, with deposits from its most explosive eruptions reaching as far as Idaho to the northeast and San Francisco Bay to the southwest.